If you're stuck choosing between DeWalt and Milwaukee, stop. Because one of these brands is perfect for homeowners, and the other is built for people who literally earn money with their tools. And if you buy the wrong one, you could either overpay or underpower your work. Today we're breaking down real power, battery life, durability, long-term cost, and who should not buy each brand, so you don't waste your money in 2026. DeWalt and Milwaukee are two of the biggest power tool brands in America. DeWalt is known for reliability, solid performance, and better pricing, widely available at Home Depot, Lowe's, and online. Milwaukee positions itself as a premium, heavy-duty brand, especially targeted toward contractors and trade professionals. Both are excellent, but they are not built for the same type of user. Let's break it down properly. Let's talk torque. DeWalt 20-volt Max XR impact driver, around 1,825 inch-pounds of torque. Milwaukee M18 FUEL impact driver, around 2,000 inch-pounds of torque. On paper, Milwaukee wins. In real-world testing, at torque is like driving lag bolts into pressure-treated lumber, Milwaukee usually finishes slightly faster. But here's the truth most people don't say. If you're assembling furniture, fixing a deck, mounting a TV, or doing drywall, you will barely notice the difference. Where Milwaukee's extra torque matters: framing, structural builds, concrete anchors, heavy lag bolts daily, winner in raw power. Milwaukee. For normal home projects, basically a tie. Now this is where many buyers make a mistake. DeWalt runs on the 20-volt Max system. Milwaukee runs on the M18 platform. Milwaukee's red lithium batteries are known for slightly longer runtime, better performance under heavy load, stronger heat management. In continuous drilling tests, Milwaukee often lasts a bit longer, but DeWalt batteries usually charge faster, and they're often cheaper to replace. Now think long-term. If you own 3 to 4 batteries over 5 years, battery cost adds up. Milwaukee batteries cost more, especially higher amp-hour versions, longer runtime under heavy use. Milwaukee better value over time. DeWalt. Both brands use rubber overmolding and strong internal components. But here's the difference in feel. Milwaukee tools feel slightly heavier and more industrial. DeWalt feels durable, but lighter. Now imagine 2 scenarios. Scenario 1. You're building a full deck in summer heat, 8 hours straight. Milwaukee will likely handle that abuse better long-term. Scenario 2. You're doing weekend garage projects or IKEA builds. DeWalt will feel lighter and easier on your wrist. Heavier tools equals more stability, but also equals more fatigue over time. Full-time job site abuse, Milwaukee weekend, DIY, comfort, DeWalt. Milwaukee offers over 200+ tools in the M18 ecosystem. They innovate very aggressively in plumbing tools, electrical trade tools, HVAC tools, specialty job site equipment. DeWalt also has a massive lineup, including outdoor equipment, woodworking tools, automotive tools. If you're a general homeowner, both ecosystems are more than enough. If you're in a specialized trade, Milwaukee often has more niche options. Specialty trades. Milwaukee general household use. DeWalt. Let's talk money. DeWalt combo kits are usually more affordable. Milwaukee, especially the FUEL series, costs more. Example: DeWalt 2-tool kit. Lower price range. Milwaukee M18 FUEL kit, noticeably higher. Now here's the key. If your tools make you money, paying more for durability makes sense. If tools are occasional use items, overpaying doesn't. Budget-friendly choice. DeWalt Premium Performance Choice, Milwaukee. DeWalt typically offers 3-year limited warranty, 1-year free service. Milwaukee offers 5-year limited warranty on many tools. Milwaukee wins slightly in warranty length. But both brands have strong nationwide service networks. This is important. Who should not buy Milwaukee? If you only use tools 2 to 3 times per month, you are probably overpaying for power you don't need. Who should not buy DeWalt? If you're drilling concrete daily, framing houses, or working commercial jobs, you may eventually outgrow it. Buying the wrong brand is about mismatch, not quality. Here's the easiest way to decide. If your total budget is under $300, go DeWalt. If your tools earn you income, go Milwaukee. If you're a homeowner starting your first collection, DeWalt is safer. If you're a contractor working 8 to 10 hours daily, Milwaukee makes more sense. There is no universal winner. Milwaukee wins in raw torque, heavy-duty durability, professional trade tools, warranty. DeWalt wins in value for money, lighter feel, lower battery replacement cost, beginner-friendly pricing. So the real question is, are you a weekend DIYer or a full-time professional? If you want to check current prices, latest deals, or see the exact models I mentioned, I've added affiliate links in the description below. You can compare both brands there and buy directly if you decide. It won't cost you anything extra, but it helps support the channel. And comment DeWalt or Milwaukee so we can see which team wins this year. Subscribe for more honest tool comparisons.